Hi there, Charlie here with my week 5 video log dev diary for the second assignment for advanced technology, which is mesh destruction. This week I've finally been able to put together all of the parts I wanted to make for this project of having the marching cubes algorithm create a mesh and then being able to shoot a rocket at this mesh and create an explosion of destroying the terrain. Let's go into it and see whereabouts it is. The main big thing, which is what I want to do going forward until the final hand-in, is optimizing all of this, because with the marching cube algorithms at the moment, I mean, you can see here it takes a few seconds to even get into it and to load it up. But anyway, here we are. Here's a procedurally generated terrain using the marching cubes algorithm, and if I shoot a rocket at a wall, bang, it blows up into pieces and chunks out the wall. And yeah, basically the whole terrain is completely destructible. I can blow it up and it, turns into chunks. And the frame rate's not too bad. It drops a lot when it hits, but only for a second. That might be something I'd like to look into optimizing. But the largest part is the terrain generation. So if you see up here, we've only generated this much room. However, if I go into here and I start walking in one of the directions, there you go. So it's frozen at this point, where it's generating the next basically three chunks in front of me. But then if I carry on walking, it generates those chunks. And I'd really like to get this a bit more optimized, because it's quite fun to just have this sort of terrain you can just blow up. Maybe even adding some sort of way of building onto this sort of terrain would be nice. But yeah, and like a little optimization thing is once all these bits of rubble are gone, they sort of disappear over time. Walked into another chunk loading section, so it's going to be another wait here. But yeah, the loading times are very, very slow right now, so I'd like to optimize it a bit more. But on the mesh destruction side of things, I'm quite happy with how it's been turning out, really. Getting this sort of explosion, rubble falling down. Yeah, thanks very much for watching.